Hi folks, this is Dr. Michael Jones, President of the Medical Exercise Training Institute, and I hope this video finds you and yours safe and healthy. Folks, we know that the COVID pandemic has had a huge impact around the world, and we know for our medical exercise professionals, it's also had a huge impact. So this video is for those of you out there that are post-rehab conditioning specialists, medical exercise specialists, and medical exercise program directors with the Medical Exercise Training Institute. We realize because of the pandemic, you're not able to see your clients. Your community or your state or your province has special guidelines in place that prevent you from going out and seeing clients, or your gym is closed. But with that, we also realize you're unable to get out and do the observation hours necessary or to attend medical exercise or post-rehab related courses to get the hours you need to renew. I've received your phone calls, I've gotten your emails, and I know a lot of you out there are concerned about your certificates. Either they're expired or they're about to expire. You want to renew them or reinstate them, and you don't have the hours. So if you would give me just a couple of moments, and we're going to talk about the certification renewal process, some of the policy changes we've made to make it easier for you to keep your certificate current. Folks, we realize COVID will end at some point. It will. And we will need certified medical exercise professionals to go out there and provide services for those clients who sat at home, couldn't get to the gym, and now have deteriorated or lost some level of function. We also realize there's a new client we'll start to see, the post-COVID client. These folks have survived COVID. Either they were hospitalized or they were quarantined at home. And with that, they have significant functional deficits, both cardiovascularly and with endurance, as well as musculoskeletally. And they just need someone to work with them after PT, chiropractic, and other medical services are over to get them back to their previous level of function. So we realize the need for medical exercise training, which was growing before COVID, will continue to grow. But I know for some of you right now, your gyms are opening back up, or you're thinking about what you're going to do, and your boss, whether you're in a PT clinic or in a health club, needs a current certificate that lets you come back to work. So we're going to give you some guidelines on that. So in the past, we required that you do 10 observation hours or 10 hours of medical exercise related coursework to keep your certification current. You had to do that every 2 years. Now, we've waived that. We realize that's not happening with COVID right now. You can't get to the courses, you can't do the observation hours, so we've cut that in half. And we're allowing you to do a combination. You could do 5 observation hours in a sports medicine, chiropractic, or nursing home facility, or 5 hours in a medical exercise related coursework. So you can do those 5 hours there, or a combination thereof. We realize that's difficult, but if you've already done some of the hours, you couldn't get all 10 in, guess what? You can now renew. So we've now made the magic number 5, a combination of observation hours and post-rehab related coursework. Now with those observation hours, it must be done in a sports med, physical therapy, chiropractic clinic, or maybe in a hospital setting or a rehab setting. Again, it must be supervised by a therapist, chiropractor, nurse, massage therapist, athletic trainer, or MD or a DO, or one of our currently certified program directors or MESs. The hours of coursework, you can do 5 of those. And again, folks, you can do 2 of observation hours and 3 of coursework. As long as it adds up to 5, we're good. The course must be taught by a licensed medical professional. And the reason for that is we want to make sure you're getting good, accurate, appropriate information that you can apply to your clients. With that, we also want to make sure that you're getting information and you're learning techniques that you can apply appropriately to your clients. Folks, with this COVID pandemic, we've seen a proliferation of post-rehab and medical exercise certifications and workshops that are popping up out of nowhere. And with that, in many instances, we've watched some of the marketing, and they're really kind of pushing the envelope on your scope of practice, as well as actually encroaching into the scope of practice for physical therapy, occupational therapy, chiropractic care, and other professions. So we want to make sure the information you're getting is appropriate, it's ethical, and it's legal. And that's why we're requiring the course to be taught by a medical professional or by one of our currently certified program directors or MESs. Now, again, for a combination of 5 hours. Now, go over to postrehabrenewal.com, download and complete the renewal form online. Download it. Submit the renewal fee of $50. You'll see a reinstatement fee there on the website, folks. Don't worry about the reinstatement fee. If you certified in 1994, and it's now 2020 and your certificate is expired, don't worry about the reinstatement fee, just pay the $50. You were a good client and a good student back in the day. We're not going to charge you 50 extra bucks bucks just to renew your certification. It's not fair. And we realize right now, folks are struggling out there. This is the part we're going to take in helping with this. Submit those forms online or the documents online by just simply taking out your cell phone, taking a picture of the document, and then just uploading it. Now, with that, if you don't have the hours necessary to renew, we're offering another course. We have an advanced medical exercise specialist workshop. This is something we've been looking at doing for a while. So our AMES allows you to become the MET expert in your community. Here's how we're going to do this. It's a series of live medical exercise client management webinars. We're going to do these live from Medical Fitness Pros, our facility here in Houston, and we're going to do these on Saturdays, and we're going to utilize a program that we've just developed, our MAPS program. MAPS is simply taking our medical exercise and post-rehab protocols that we developed years ago. We've actually upgraded them, we've added more to them, and we're going to use them now for more advanced information and learning on your part. It'll include things such as goniometric measuring, manual muscle testing, more advanced guidelines on medical history assessment. And these are live, so you could actually watch us working with clients on things such as improving their balance or their gait, exercises, the assessment procedures, the whole 9 yards, so you now have a better idea of how to progress your clients to reach those positive functional outcomes and better bridge the gap between healthcare and fitness. Again, these are a series of live webinars. They're done on Saturday, so it makes it easy for you to attend. They're anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, and you can use these toward renewing your Medical Exercise Training Institute MES, PRCS, or MEPD certification. Now, these are going to begin in October. You won't find anything online about these right now. We're going to post something later on this week, but we wanted to let you know first about the certification renewal process. And if you want to get more information, shoot me an email at drmike@postrehab.com about our advanced MES. And again, we're looking forward to this, a series of live webinars. I'll be the primary instructor, but if that doesn't work for you, if you're already ready to go, please renew at postrehabrenewal.com. Keep your certification current so you're ready when this pandemic ends. Again, folks, thank you for watching. Best wishes to you, and thank you for investing in our program. Whatever number of years ago it was, thank you. We've heard nothing but great things about our MESs out there in the field and our PRCSs and MEPDs. We thank you for the great job you've done. All the best to you. Stay safe and healthy. And please email me at drmike@postrehab.com if you have questions, or just go over to postrehabrenewal.com and get your renewal certification underway. Again, it's 5 hours, only $50. And please ignore anything that you'll see on the website that talks about reinstatement or 10 hours. It's $5 and $50. All the best, folks. Take care. Stay safe.